Good morning, students. Let us start the second semester portion of social science, in which we will study first chapter number 4, Mughal Empire Establishment and Extension. As we have earlier studied in the first semester about the historical background of the Mughals, how the Mughals came to India, especially Babur, and as we all know that in the first battle of Panipat, Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi, the Sultan of Delhi, and after that the Mughal rule was established by Babur. That means he was the founder of the Mughal dynasty or Mughal rule in India. So in this class we'll study some of the points related to Babur. Now Babur, his ruling period is 1526 to 1530. In this short span of time, he achieved many success for the Mughal rule in India. So let us continue our class. So Babur, as he is known as the founder of the Mughal dynasty in India, we have covered almost the first part of Babur, in which we have studied that in 1527 CE he fought a battle with the brave Rana Sanga at Khanwa, in which Babur defeated him as his army was equipped with cannons. So the first battle that is fought by Babur was against Ibrahim Lodi, and that was the first battle of Panipat in 1526. Now the second battle after the battle of Panipat that he fought was against the brave Rana Sanga of Mewar. As you know, at that time he was the strong ruler of the Rajputs. So Rana Sanga met Jahiruddin Muhammad Babur in 1527, and there was a battle between them at Khanwa, in which Babur defeated Rana Sanga. And as we know, Babur was a great military leader or general, and through this and with the introduction of cannons, he defeated Rana Sanga and he killed Rana Sanga in the battle of Khanwa. But in 1530, Babur fell ill and died. So, as we know, Babur had a very short span of time in the history of Mughal Empire in India, and he fought many battles to lay a strong foundation of the Mughal Empire and gain control over the areas near Delhi and Agra. So all the areas of the neighboring Delhi and Agra were controlled, or they were directly ruled by Jahiruddin Muhammad Babur. As we know, he was a great military general, and that's why he emerged victorious in most of the battles that he fought. हम बात कर रहे हैं बाबर, जो माना जाता है भारत में मुगल डायनेस्टी या मुगल वंश का स्थापक जिसे माना जाता है, या फाउंडर ऑफ द मुगल डायनेस्टी इन इंडिया. जैसा हमने पढ़ा था कि 1526 ईस्वी में इन 1526 बाबर ने हराया था इब्राहिम लोदी को इन द फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ पानीपत, और वहीं से मुग़ल रूल की शुरुआत कर दी बाबर ने, इसीलिए उसे भारत में फाउंडर ऑफ द मुग़ल रूल बोला जाता है. उसके अगले ही साल उसने 1527 ईस्वी में राणा सांगा को भी हरा दिया, क्योंकि बाबर की सेना जो थी वो हथियारों से इक्विप्ड थी, मतलब उनके पास कैनन्स थे, हथियार थे, जिसके बल पर उसने राणा सांगा को खानवा के युद्ध में हरा दिया. जैसा हम सब जानते हैं कि बाबर का रूलिंग पीरियड बहुत ही छोटा रहा, लेकिन इस छोटे से रूलिंग पीरियड में इसने बड़े बड़े अचीवमेंट या बड़े बड़े बैटल्स को जीता, बिकॉज ही वॉज अ ग्रेट मिलिट्री जनरल. वो बहुत ही अच्छा मिलिट्री जनरल था, और युद्ध करने की कुशलता के कारण वो अपने ज़्यादातर बैटल्स में विक्टोरियस या विजयी हुआ.